friends, good morning. This is Suvarna Keshav welcoming you all to Suvarna's Hobby World. All of us know that the festive season is fast approaching. So, this is the time when we want to keep our puja rooms immaculately clean and the silverware sparkling. So, today let us learn a very simple home procedure of cleaning our silverware. And remember, this procedure is very cost effective and there will be no loss of silver in this. So what are we waiting for? Come on, let us check out. So now let us see what are the ingredients we need to polish our silverware. It is just 3 ingredients: plain water, and here I have soda bicarb, sodium bicarbonate or cooking soda, and this is aluminium foil, what we use to wrap food stuff. This is aluminium foil. So in a large pan, I have kept some water for boiling, and let us add about 1 tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate, but please take care to reduce the flame, because when we add it to boiling water, it gives out effervescence and carbon dioxide is released and the level of the water increases. It becomes frothy. We need to be careful about that. It can splash on us, so be very careful while handling these chemicals, friend. So now we can increase the flame again. Let us cut the aluminium foil, crumple it and put it onto this. There is a very safe chemical reaction happening here. And one of my close friends, who is a chemistry professor and who holds a doctorate in chemistry, was kind enough to explain the whole reaction to me. I'll post it in the end of the video so that you can go through it and understand what exactly happens chemically and how safe it is to use it for polishing our silver. So now let us put this here. You can see it is completely tarnished. Let us see. Just leave it in this solution for about 1 or 2 minutes. We can see that it's all going off and getting polished. See that the aluminium foil comes in contact with our silverware, and keep stirring it as well. It may not be as good as what you get it done from a jeweler, but for our daily use, we don't feel like giving our puja articles to polish in an outside shop. There is some sanctity. So in such occasions, we can easily use this method. And I have also noticed this process is good for plain surfaces. When it comes to idle, it may not come out that well. We can see that the water is turning a little blackish. That is due to the silver oxide which has been removed. We can just scrub it a little like this. Within 1 or 2 minutes, we see that our silver is quite safe. Please use tongs while doing all this. Since we have used chemicals, friends, please clean it with soapy water. Immediately dry it and use it. how it has come. So let me try with another one. You can notice this is also a plain surface. Let us see how this gets polished. The water is boiling hot. So please don't allow children to come near all this when we are trying to polish it. It is not at all safe for kids and small children. Since this is an absolutely plain surface, we can see that it is getting polished earlier than the other one. We can see the other one had a little work on it, some filigree work, whereas this is a plain one. And it has come out absolutely plain now. Here I have two idols, silver idols, one Ganesha idol and one Lord Vishnu idol. So let us try to polish this now. After polishing a few things, the liquid here starts to turn blackish. So if you want to increase the intensity of the liquid in cleaning, let us add a little more of soda bicarb and probably another piece of aluminium foil. So as you are seeing, Ganesha is completely tarnished. Let us see how it works. It's totally tarnished all over here. Please notice. And try to bring in the aluminium foil wherever there is more tarnishing, so that the reaction will be complete and the end product will be a sparkling silverware. So now I have removed our Ganeshji. I am cleaning it with Pril liquid. So let us neatly wash it with Pril liquid and cold water. This is the note from the chemistry professor. So friends, after cleaning, now I have dried them all with a dry cloth. You can see all our shining stars here, and we also saw the Ganesha was so tarnished and it is so bright and beautiful now. And also during this process, we have not used any harsh chemicals. And there was no bad smell emanated during the procedure. Hope you have all liked the video, friends, and hope it was informative to you all. Please like and share the video and also subscribe to Suvarna's Hobby World. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.